let's go over the basics of app navigation. First, we'll start with nutrition. So I'm going to click this nutrition goal. And here I can do a lot of things. I can see previous days and weeks, calories, proteins, and carbohydrates. That's if I go to this details button. And I can also start logging food. So this is a built-in food tracker. So if I add a meal, there's a whole process on how to add a meal. It's fairly intuitive. There's a barcode scanner here at the top right. You can add meal groups and copy them over from different days and customize those. So say you have the same kind of breakfast and lunch on a daily basis for the most part. You can copy those over. So it makes tracking easy. If I'm back in the dashboard, this main dashboard area, if I press the plus button and meal, it gets me to the same place. And here you see that we can create a new meal. We can see our recent meals that we've logged, and we can also see favorites. Again, these favorites are a really convenient way to track things quickly if we eat them regularly. Finally, you'll see this Discover button on the far right. Now this spot is awesome. This is a compilation and library of personalized meals that relate to your calories and your macronutrient requirements. It is everything from dessert to dinner to breakfast, lunch, snacks. What's really cool is you can go and you can filter the kinds of foods that you want to eat. Say you want to go vegetarian or vegan or paleo or whatever. You can kind of customize based off of those necessities. Other things that you can do if you wanted to search chicken, say you have some chicken in the freezer that you want to use, you can search chicken and boom, you'll have a bunch of chicken recipes that you can use. If you click on one of those, there is a video on how to make the actual food. There is a recipe and ingredients list. And in the future, there will be corresponding shopping lists if you want to compile some of these and favorite some of these recipes.